Well, here we are, May 9th at Odiak Slough. Pretty slow day for shorebirds. We have 50 western sandpipers out here. We have 3 whimbrels, that's pretty cool. This is a time of the shorebird season where we might get some bigger, more unusual birds in, like maybe some godwits and things like that. Our next stop is 3 Mile Bay, couple miles further out Whiteshed Road, and the tide's pushing in, so we might have some birds like far out in the mud flats being brought up closer to us. And then we have Hardney Bay after that, and I don't know, I think we got a pretty good chance of seeing something cool out there today, because yesterday it was just terrible rain and we didn't have very good visibility in the scopes, and we had what, 4 black-bellied plovers, or 5 with
5
Pacific golden plover, and 29 short-billed dowitchers, and 2,500 western sandpipers, and a mystery bird. It looked like a red western sandpiper. We tried to turn it into a curlew sandpiper, but we couldn't. Failed on that. It was probably just a color morph of western, but it really got our attention, so we're gonna try to find that again today. It might be a total needle in a haystack, but
any unusual birds, maybe even non-shorebirds out here today?
Out here today, Aaron identified by song a white-throated sparrow right across the slough there, so that's a good one. So props to Aaron for the audio identification.
A little bizarre. It's been a few years since I've heard one of those, so I don't know if I quite trust myself yet, but
All right.
I'll listen to some recordings.
Well, thanks you guys, and we'll check in with you later.
Cool, thanks.